Hello, again we are in another conversation of TTW at ATM Dubai 2025. I'm with Saroj Swain,
Yes.
Joint Secretary, Orissa Tourism Board. Sir, good afternoon. How are you doing?
So I'm fine, and it's a very good atmosphere to understand tourism, to understand the needs of the tourists, what they like. So this is the best platform where you can showcase your products, tourism products, and also you can enhance the number of inbound tourists to your destinations. So basically, we are here uh, to promote our destinations of Odisha. What kind of special, something unusual, different type of product we have, we want to showcase here so
Can
that
you highlight some of the region you are showcasing in the ATM?
yes, basically we are highlighting our heritage, art, culture, craft villages, tribal tourism, and one of the unique product that is eco retreat in Odisha, where you will find the uh, combination of nature as well as the glamour, glamping. So that's some of the good products we want to showcase here. Uh, and we expect the inbound tourist will improve. Uh,
If I ask you, beside India, which are the main inbound tourist destinations, from which are the main source market is coming to Orissa?
so basically, the religious tourism that is important in terms of when you see Odisha, because they have the higher footfall, because we have one of the dham, that is Sri Jagannath Dham,
Correct.
and a religious triangle like Bhubaneswar, Puri, and Konark. You might be knowing Konark is the heritage monument of ASI. So we basically we have higher footfall in those sectors.
So, which countries travelers are coming to Orissa?
Basically, the East countries, the Asian East countries, Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, those who are Buddhist, because we have a Buddhist circuit,
Circuit,
that
correct.
is Ratnagiri, Lalitgiri, and Udaygiri, and they also organize one annual conference there also. So that's how the number of Buddhist countries, the people come from that places. Similarly, we also get more footfall from USA, England, and some of the European countries also.
Okay. My last question would be for our international guests. Tell us the connectivity to come to Orissa from any
Yeah,
parts of the
you
world.
see, we have direct flight connectivity from Dubai to Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar airport is an international airport, Biju Patnaik airport, and different countries we have got the direct connectivity, and the road network is also improved, as well as the railway network. So I don't find any issues in the connectivity to the destinations which we have identified. So the traveler will get a good experience through road as well as by rail. I hope so.
And the air connectivity also.
Yes.
Thank you so much for
Thank
talking
you.
to us.
Thank you very much.